remember when we got married newly, my wife asked me a question. There was still no permission. He said, I have noticed that when you sleep, it's like this. Like this. He said, why? And I said to her, have you ever seen a dead body that is sleeping like this? Have you seen a dead body sleeping like this? How do they sleep? Like this. I say, I'm trying to rehearse the day I will die. A day will come, you will just be facing up because you came from up. That is why in this life, don't look side. If you look side, you backslide. That is why they call it backslide. Always looking unto Jesus, the author. When the Bible says you are dead, you are nailed on the cross, it means that your head cannot turn to the side. You can't go here, only focus. But look at how useless this life is. A day will come, they will raise your leg to wear your trouser. You can't wear it by yourself again. And when they leave her for up like this, it will fall like walking stick. A day will come, fly will enter your mouth. You cannot do like this. A day will come, your children will cry on your ear. You will not answer them.
They cry, you will cry. When the saints are going home, cry it now. When the saints are still alive, they shout, you will shout. When the trumpet shall sound, shout it now. When the saints are still alive, the heart I know you will say. When the day shall come, say it now. When the saints are still alive,
they will put you on the bus. They call it casket. Presently now I'm cleaning my sweat. But at that moment, I will not even sweat again. Lock in the place. No talk, no communication. This mouth that you used to keep people now, cutting wood will seal it. They say shut up, you say you will shut up. You use it to insult people, cutting wood and flies. This ear we say guide it, you say you will guide it. Cutting wood on it. They will prepare your best food, but you cannot even smell it. At that time, they will insult you, but you cannot reply. And funny enough, they will take you to the ground, termites on your skin. And they will not give you a title, late Mrs., late Mr. If this is how useless we are, why do we boast that we will deal with people? Why do you tell people, I am not your mate? We are all mates now. What kill the rich, kill the poor. Where they bury the rich on the ground, they bury the poor. The same thing that kill the small, kill the big. All of us are one mate. Stand to your feet.
they cry, you will cry. When the saints are going home,
Stand.
right now. When the saints